everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw Chillzilla, or basically Godzilla as the chill guy meme. So hope you follow along and enjoyed this video today. Now to start off with our Chillzilla, let's begin with the eyes. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a little line that's going to curve like this. Then we're just going to bring this line down and up. Next, we're going to curve this line to here, leaving a little bit of space open. Next, we'll do that same thing here. Let's make a little line for the eye. Then we're just going to go down and up. Then we're just going to bring this line up and down. Right here, let's curve a line. And then right here, we're going to go down and then up, leaving a little bit of space there. Next, let's go ahead and color this in. And then we will color this in. Then let's curve a line underneath the eye. And we'll do the same thing here, curve a line underneath the eye. Now, starting here, we're going to make the nose. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to bring this line out. Then I'm going to bring this down and over to here. Next, we're going to go down. I'm going to come over, and then we're going to bring this line up and kind of curve it to connect for the head. Now for the nose, let's make two little ovals that we color in. And then we're going to curve a line up here and then curve a line up here. For the eyebrows, let's draw a line and then we're just going to curve up and down. And then same thing here, draw a line and then we're just going to curve up and down. And then we go ahead and just color in each one of these eyebrows. We're just going to fill in the shapes just to complete our eyebrows. Next, starting here, I'm going to curve this line up just to kind of show where the mouth is going to be. Then I'm going to draw a little line right here. Next, let's go ahead and make some little V shapes for the teeth. Then we'll put a little line underneath here. Next, starting here, I'm going to make a couple little curved lines just for a little bit of detail. Now, let's work on the body. Starting here, let's curve a line for the neck of the sweatshirt. And then right here, we're going to make a line that's going to come out and then in. And then right here, we're going to bring this line down and then curve it to here. Next, we're going to bring this line out and we're going to bring it down to here. Then I'm going to curve this to here. And then up to here for the arm. Next, we'll make a little curve right here. And a couple little lines. And then we can also add these little lines right here on the collar of the sweatshirt. Next, let's draw a line that's just going to come down for the leg. We're going to curve it. Then we'll make another line. It's going to curve and then it's going to come down. We'll curve across and bring it up here. We're going to make a second little curve here. And then we're going to make two lines right here. Then we'll make 2 lines here and then 2 lines here. For the shoes, let's draw a line that's going to curve up and down. And then we'll do one right here. We're just going to curve up and down. We're going to bring this across and up. And same thing here, bring this across. Let's make a line that comes down and over, and then another one down and then over. And then let's connect these 2 little lines right here. Now let's add some spikes on the back of our Chillzilla. So starting here, let's just make 2 little points like this. Then we're going to make a couple more little points. I'm going to make a couple coming right down the back here. And then when we get to here, let's make the tail. Let's draw a line that's just going to come down and up. And then we're just going to curve this back towards the body. Let's make a line down here. And then some little curved lines right here. Then we're going to make a couple little spikes coming right down the tail. Then I'm going to add a couple lines here and a line or 2 right there. And there you go, there is your drawing of Godzilla as the Chill Guy meme, and we can call him Chillzilla. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.